Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. And well, it's Wednesday. Not doing a challenge lock, we're going to do another stock lock. I've been going through, when Ben Jacksonified sent me that big collection of locks, I'm slowly trying to go through them, and we have this one. Now, I can't remember the name brand of this, I completely forgot. I know lots of you out there will be laughing at me because you'll know exactly what it is. It works absolutely beautifully. Really smooth. There's the bitting. Original key with it. But it seems a nice lock. It's got a really nice, fairly open keyway. Hopefully we can get this picked. Let's have a look. So we use a homemade tension wrench in the top and a short hook. Let's see how we go. Oh, I got a little click from one, two. Oh, got a little turn of the core. I've got more of a turn of the core then. Definitely, don't know, I'd say there's definitely spool in here somewhere. Oh, I overset that, I could feel that. There we go, got that fault set back again. That's definitely another spool of some type. Got another turn there, so a bit more of a fault set. It's not one. Oh, it's two. There we go. We're open. Nice, nice click to that. Very nice sturdy lock. But yeah, I've seen this plenty of times. I just completely forgot what it's called. So please, in the description, in the comments, please let me know what it is. I've seen Locktube pick one of these. I've seen a few pick them. I just keep forgetting the name. But yeah, so I hope you found that interesting. It was just a quick pick. We'll get into a challenge lock at some point. I just changing the routine. But yeah, so give me a second. Let's on Zoom. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Don't forget to like.